Everyone, how are you guys doing? So today I have a new video for you guys. Can you see? Ooh, I got a box. So this is what I ended up purchasing at the Mall of America on Monday, and I wasn't expecting to get it till next week, and it actually shipped early, and then I got it today, so I'm super excited. It came in this huge box. Oop. I have not opened it yet. The UPS man just dropped it off, so I'm really excited to see what's in here. I literally just got home from work, so excuse the crazy face. I am in my new room that I will be doing videos, so hopefully the sound and the quality is decent. I know behind me the walls are pretty plain. I don't have anything up yet. I don't know if I will add anything or if I'll just keep it a nice blue, because I do really like the color of the walls in here. And then yeah, so if you guys like the filming, or if you guys think that I should add pictures, let me know in the comment section down below. Because of course you guys have to look at the background too, so I want it to be appealing to you as well. So yeah, let's just go ahead and open this box. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Oops. But I got my scissors here, and okay, that wasn't really secure. There was literally maybe these two tabs holding it shut. Alrighty. Okay, so they didn't wrap it really, but alright. So the first thing I see on top is "We hope you love it." This is from Nordstrom, so it says, "We hope you love it. Thanks for shopping with us. Your new designer purchase is amazing. If you need to exchange it or return it, please make sure it's in its original condition with all the packaging and any tags still attached." So just this nice little paper reminder, which is actually a step up from what you would usually get. So I like that. Okay. Man, I was hoping this would be like wrapped with a ribbon and stuff, because like I said, this is my first designer shoe purchase. So yeah, but anyway, so this is the box they come in. Okay, this is a pretty big box. On the outside here it just says what shoe it is and the price, and I'll get into all that in a minute. Okay, so taking the lid off, and then it just looks like so. I have my receipt and another version of the big one, just like a mini size, which is kind of weird. All right. I hope I get dust bags with this. Okay, so all the tags. All right, you guys. So I will explain everything, because you guys are gonna be like, what? That's weird or interesting, but I will explain everything after I show you guys. Are you ready to reveal my new Gucci sneakers? So these bad boys are actually a men's sneaker, and I just got them in the smallest size, so my size, which is a size, I believe these are a 7, but little secret if you guys didn't know, men's Gucci sneakers are a lot cheaper than women's, so if you're interested. But yeah, anyway, so I got these cuties here. These are called it just says Soft GG Supreme, and these are in cocoa beige and ebony. So they look like so. They do say Gucci here on the tongue. I'll give you guys a little bit of a closer up. The bottoms. All right, so I'm looking them over and they look pretty good. They don't look like they've ever been worn. Take out the insert. All right. What I really liked about these though is, so it's all leather on the outside of course, but the whole interior is leather as well. So I know that they're going to be really comfortable and they're going to mold to my foot. Alright, let's see. The next one is this. So here is the other one. Again, I didn't get a dust bag, which is super, I don't know. I was kind of expecting dust bags for these. Let me know in the comment section down below if other Gucci sneakers, I'm pretty sure they come with dust bags. Do the men's not? Like, I figured that they would. So that's kind of disappointing. I'll have to find out and ask my SA, the guy who sold these to me, if he could at least get me some, because that's kind of disappointing. Because I know, although they're sneakers, they're probably not going to be every day for me. So, all right, let me get my receipt because it fell on the floor. So, a little bit about these. Okay, so they say they are, this is what it says on the Nordstrom receipt. Men design, common, cocoa beige, ebony, leather. Yeah, that's basically it. So these sneakers here were $550 US, which is an incredibly low amount compared to women's Gucci sneakers. I know obviously that's not cheap by any means, but the women's sneakers can run up to $800. So for like these nice all leather ones for $550 is a pretty good deal for Gucci. So I will also, here, let's do this. Show you guys what it says here. Hopefully it'll focus for you guys, but that's all the info that I have. And then I will try to insert some mod shots of myself wearing these. But yeah, I'm really excited. I've never owned a pair of designer shoes before, like I said. I usually, well, not usually, I have wider feet, so it's harder for me to be able to fit into women's designer shoes, or, you know, anything that just is really narrow in this area here. But I actually found that these were really comfortable. I really like the normal Gucci sneakers, the women's, the white ones. Those all fit really nice and comfortable. But but they just didn't have the style that I wanted. I don't want like a lot of bedazzles or studs or anything like that. So that's why I thought these would be a great option for me. So what do you guys think of my new sneakers? I'm really excited to wear them. Like I said, this is in a size 7. So apparently Gucci is different. So he was trying to explain this to me. A size 7 UK is, what was he saying, is a men's US 8, which is an equivalent to a women's 10, if that makes any sense. Which is a little strange because I usually don't wear a 10, but my toe actually did come up to here, which is different because, like I said, I'm usually like a 9. So I guess, I don't know, I feel like for the average person with an average width on their foot that these would be pretty true to size. Typically when I am wearing like a regular shoe, I do have to size up a whole size just to accommodate the width of my foot. But yeah, so I don't know. I'm really excited. I'm going to try these on for you guys and I'm going to post some pictures. I'm going to see if my outfits work with these. I have a feeling they will. They're neutral and they're pretty cute. So anyways, I just wanted to share my new designer shoes with you guys. I heard that it is a slippery slope once you buy the first pair. We'll see. I'm sure if it were easier for me to find shoes, I would definitely already have been on this path, but we'll see how it goes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye.